Another morning meditation minute with Dr. Marissa. And gently opening your eyes, taking a deep breath in through the nose and releasing through the mouth. Soft shoulders, soft elbows, soft knees. Breathing in and release. And watching this expression of life, witnessing the power, the magnificence, and the beauty of Mother Nature. That our lives parallel both the intensity, the power, the presence, the energy that we are. And then as we move through the wave, as we move through the swell, we can take that breath and return in the calm. You see the variety, no two swells the same, just as none of us are identical in our contribution to life. Let's ride our wave in this thing called life. Because it's all about balance. Peace in and peace out.